Welcome to Willard Library's first virtual Crafternoon. Today we're going to learn how to create a paper pinwheel. Let's start with some supplies. You can stop by Willard Library's Adult Services Department today to pick up your craft kit while supplies last. This craft requires 2 pieces of decorative cardstock that measure at least 6 inches all the way around, 1 paper straw, 1 metal brad, a ruler, a pencil, 1 pair of scissors, a standard hole punch, and 1 quarter. Let's get started. Select a piece of cardstock to use for your pinwheel. If using a craft kit, your paper will be slightly larger than 6 inches all around. Use a ruler to measure 6 inches and trim off the excess. Now that our cardstock is the correct size, we're going to fold it corner to corner 2 times. Measure 3 inches in from each corner and make a small mark with your pencil. Now use the fold lines as your guide and cut into the mark that you just made on each corner. Take your paper straw and pinch it starting at the top down about 1 inch. Once flattened, take your hole punch and punch a hole directly in the center of the straw near the top. Now we're going to create a decorative center for our pinwheel using a different piece of cardstock. Take a quarter, trace around it, and then cut it out. Now use a standard hole punch to punch a hole directly in the center of your circle. Now we're going to take our hole punch and our 6-inch square and punch a hole in the right-hand corner of each of our 4 triangular sections of our pinwheel. Now fold your pinwheel in half, locate the center, and punch a half circle in the very middle. When you open your pinwheel back up, you should see a circle in the center. Now we're ready to assemble our pinwheel. Grab your 6-inch square, your straw, the round center of your pinwheel, and your metal brad. Start by taking one of the holes in the corner and fold it over the middle hole. Hold it in place and do the same for each of the 4 corners. While holding your pinwheel in place with one hand, grab your circle and place it in the center with the other. Stick the metal brad through the hole to keep your pinwheel in place. Now turn your pinwheel over, place the straw on the brad, and bend the fastener so that the pinwheel is secure but not too tightly. You want to be sure that your pinwheel can spin. Thanks for watching.